Paris Hilton is a woman who wears many hoods since she is one of the prominent businesswomen in the world. A television and media personality, a socialite, and in addition, she is an actress who can even be a DJ and without forgetting her singing skill as well. She came into the limelight when a sex tape of hers leaked out titled "In Night of Paris" just before her acting role in Simple Life, and since then she has become a person of interest. She has a more than often named among top 10 sexiest women, hottest women of all time, and also she has received a fair share of criticism in equal measure, as her name is recorded as a world's most overrated celebrity and in addition the most popular celebrity in the eyes of the United States of America citizens. Her story is a bittersweet kind of a story, and her is a more about Paris Hilton net worth fortune and how she amassed such irrespective of all the hate. Early life. Born 1981, Paris Whitney Hilton in the city of New York. She is the daughter of Richard Howard Hilton and Kathy Hilton. She has three other siblings younger than her. Her grandfather Conrad Hilton was the founder of the famous International Hilton Hotel. When growing up, some of her friends were girls like Ivanka Trump and Kim Kardashian. For her elementary studies, she studied at a Buckley School and St. Paul the Apostle School. Then for her high school education, she went to Marywood Palm Valley School for just 1 year before being transferred to Provo Canyon School, which created for those children who are emotionally troubled. Later, she would become a student of Canterbury School before being expelled and joined Diet School, of which she did not complete since she dropped out. She came back to earn her GED certificate. Hilton started off modeling at a very young age, and she went ahead to be a model at one of the Trump agencies. She became very famous on the news for her party behavior, and that is how she crafted a lifestyle of a socialite. Before long, she appeared in Zoolander, 9 Lives, and on several magazines covers such as FHM and Vanity Fair, and that is where she met Jason Shaw, whom they got engaged and unfortunately broke up in 2003. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 17 February 1981, Paris Hilton is 40 years old as of today's date, 1st November 2021. Her height is 1.73 meter tall and her weight is 52 kg in kilograms. Career. Her career breakthrough came in 2003 when she co-starred with her friend Nicole Richie in the Simple Life series. However, the real spotlight came when a sex tape was leaked. The following year, business-wise, was not bad for her as she introduced a lifestyle brand which deal with jewelry. She also was involved in creating Parlux fragrances and later in 2005 introduced Just Me fragrance. That same year she hosted Saturday Night Live NBC show and starred in The House of Wax, a horror film that grossed over $70 million and won her several awards. Awards and achievements. With all the skills Paris Hilton has got, she must have some awards, considering she is a multi-talented woman. So far, she has won 1 Teen Choice Award, 5 Golden Raspberry Awards, 1 FAME Award, 1 Fox Reality Award, 1 Fifi Award, and 1 AVN Award. Net worth a salary of Paris Hilton in 2021. As of November 2021, Paris Hilton net worth amount to $330 million. Paris' net worth figures have been achieved through several income channels, and some of these income channels are her modeling career, music sales, films and television shows appearances, clubs and parties to appearances. She is normally paid between $25,000 to $1 lakh to show up in your club or party. But the net worth booster income generating activity is the business venture that are reported earn her around $10 million every year in product sales. Her perfumes and fashion line as a today have earned her $1.5 billion, and they range in watches, handbags, footwear, perfumes, shoes, sunglasses and much more, all distributed in Paris Hilton stores across 44 nations worldwide.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.